Welcome back, you lovely people, to another tool review. Now, I bought this tool well over 3 years ago. It was only cheap and it's still going to this day. Let's have a look. So, it's the Big Boy Laser Level. I'm not going to review it because I reviewed it when I first bought it. This is 3 years down the line. What do we think? Well, I haven't got a manufacturer's name on here because I bought it off a cheap buy-in site. Fleabay, we'll say. The only code on there is 3D12. But for a cheap laser level, I think it was like £40 or £45 at the time. It's got the 3 lasers, so you can do up to 16 lines. It's got the little turntable with it, the magnetic holder. Did only come with 1 battery, but performance. If I knock it on, it's going to beep because obviously I've not got it. I'm not holding it level, but still going. 3 years down the line, still working. As I stated, now it only came with 1 battery. I wish now, because there was an option to buy the same laser level with 2 batteries. I wish now I'd done that. The battery lasts, I'd say, 3 maybe 4 hours, and then it's gone. The only good thing is you can plug the battery in and still use the level while it's charging, but you haven't always got electric, especially if you're outside. So I've looked since and I can't find any of the compatible batteries without buying another level, and I'm not going to do that. This works, so I'll just use it plugged in, or what I normally do, if I know I'm going to be using it the next day, I'll make sure it's got a full charge. There's not much I can say about it really. I've checked it for accuracy. I've used it various times. If you look back through some of the videos, the garage build, a lot of that was leveled using this, then checked with my other levels, and it's perfect. It's bang on. I've done a lot of work with it, I gotta be honest. I have kind of abused this one. It's been out in all weather, it's got a bit of compo on there, but the one thing I wanted to show you was this. That should look like that. Can you see? My fault. I stuck it on the magnets to a fence post, metal fence post, hit the fence post, dropped off, hit some tarmac and smashed the shroud around the laser that would fire it round. But if I can get it, it's still, I can't hold it level and show you, but it's still working. If I can get this level, still working. And that was a drop from, I say, 6 feet. But, and this is the really crazy thing, as good as this was before I dropped it, it's even better now I've dropped it. How can that be, you say? Simple. Now, that single laser is a dot, like the old style dot lasers. So I can fire that, and I've had it going 30-40 feet distance from a level tripod out to a wall, out to a fence with a single dot. The beam doesn't reach that far. I would say the beam is probably around the 20-25 feet and then you're struggling to see it. But the dot, that just goes and goes and goes. So if I need to pick up a point further away than the beam will throw, I use the dot. So it's turned out very handy, very lucrative that I dropped it, really. So yeah, that's it. It's a cheap as chips. Laser level. You can put it upside down as well. It works, and after over 3 years being dropped as well, it still goes. This hasn't been out of the bag or charged, I would say now, in probably, what are we on, 3 months, and I still got charging the battery. For a cheap Chinese thing, come on, that's not bad. So there you are. Would I recommend it? Definitely. For the money I paid, I've had it well over 3 years. I've dropped it. It's still going, and that single dot laser now, so much better than trying to focus on a beam that you can't really see a long way off. So there you are. That's another one. Hope these are helping. As with everything, tools cost money. And if some of these reviews can help you choose the right one for yourself, fantastic. As always, please click like, subscribe if you'd like. That does help me to bring more of these videos to you. But most importantly, stay safe. I'll see you on the next one.